Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Dante AI, which is an amazing advanced custom AI chatbot. So this is going to be providing you a lot of value, but before that you can head over to the link in the description using which you can easily get extended free trials and also exclusive benefits. So it is something that you do not want to miss out. Alright, we are inside Dante AI and you can see the chatbot is now ready to go. You can simply type in here your messages and anything that you want, like for example paragraph on something, let's say marketing, and once we enter that, it is going to be processing. Currently it is saying, I'm sorry, I do not have any information about marketing provided in knowledge base. So now why it has given an error is because we need to simply do some settings and adjustments. So like for example, if you head over to your customized section, you need to first create your chatbots. So we need to click on this plus icon on the top left side of our screen, and then we need to enter the name of our chatbot, like for example bot. Then you need to click on next, which is at the bottom of your screen. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. Also, we are going to be uploading some files, so this is going to be the training phase where you need to provide some information to your bot so it gives answers according to that information. I currently do not have that, but you can upload your files in here and it is quite simple. Or if you do not want to upload your files, you can easily upload the URL links in the URL section. So this is for that. After that, we have share chatbot option. We have live agent takeover if you want to seamlessly transition from AI responses to live human support when needed. You can use this feature, and of course all of these other features depend once your chatbot is ready by training and providing the data, and once it is ready you can also use all of the other features. It also have various integrations. So yeah, this is the walkthrough of our Dante AI chatbot. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trails and some exclusive benefits on Dante.ai. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.